What is folding? Folding is a manufacturing process in metalworking and is used for bending sheet metal. Figuratively, it can be compared to how one naturally folds a piece of paper. First, you would lay paper flat on the table. Then you would determine what section of the paper needs to be folded and line up the sheet accordingly. Using your hand, you would then clamp the largest portion of the sheet, while folding up the remainder of the paper with your thumbs. Once completed, you would lift up your hands to reveal the folded sheet of paper. What we have now simulated is folding. Let's take a look at it on a machine. There, the machine elements are called lower beam with lower beam tool, upper beam with upper beam tool, folding beam with folding beam tool, and gauging system with stop fingers. We place the piece of metal on the gauging system and the stop fingers position the sheet on the bend line. Then the upper beam tooling clamps the sheet against the lower beam. Next, the folding beam moves up and bends the metal to the programmed angle. Finally, the upper beam opens and the bent part can be removed. If we now sequence several bending cycles, complex bend parts can be created. Some machines bend only upwards. Others are able to bend up and down. This allows a series of several positive and negative bends to follow each other automatically. There are also significant differences in speed. In automatic panel benders with a protected safety area, folding can perform at very high speeds. One technology, ideal for many industries, metal folding, more flexible than ever before.